2018 BMW M3 sedan. As you might expect, the two-letter appellation brings with it some notable performance upgrades. For starters, the S55 inline-six engine is bumped up to 453 horsepower at 6,250 revolutions per minute, significantly more than the regular M3's 425 horses and in excess of the 444 ponies available to M3 buyers who spec the $4,750 competition package. Maximum torque increases, too, peaking at 443 pounds-to-foot versus 406 for other M3 models. A 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission is standard and, unfortunately, the only choice for the CS. The 6-speed manual available on lesser Mies is not an option. The factory-stated 0 to 60 mph time drops to 3.7 seconds, down from 3.9 or 3.8 with the competition package, and our tests of the current generation M3 say that should be about right. All CS models will have the driver's package, a $2,500 option on the M3, which means its top speed is increased to 174 mph, and all buyers will receive a one-day driving class at either of BMW's US performance centers. The CS's performance enhancements were achieved with software updates, and BMW's M division has deployed software engineers to recalibrate the chassis as well, with specific settings for the adaptive suspension, the electrically assisted power steering, the active M differential, and the stability control system. The exhaust system is tuned to emit an especially aggressive sound. Carbon ceramic brakes are optional. BMW says the CS is lighter than the standard M3 by an impressive 110 pounds. Lightweight components include a carbon fiber hood, and the carbon fiber roof that's optional on other Mies is standard here. Exposed carbon fiber is used for the front splitter and the decklid spoiler, and the rear diffuser is borrowed from the M4 GTS. The M3 CS rides on Michelin and Pilot Super Sport tires, size 265/35 up front and 285/30 20 in the rear. The design of the matte grey wheels is said to be inspired by DTM race cars. The interior of the M3 CS includes some special touches as well. Standard equipment includes sport seats, navigation, and the Harman Kardon audio system. The merino leather-trimmed interior has an exclusive gray and black color scheme, and you start the engine by pushing a red button. The cabin trim is wrapped in micro-suede where you might otherwise expect wood, aluminum, or carbon fiber. The steering wheel, center console, and handbrake feature the same material. Of course, there's plenty of CS badging, too. One neat touch, tricolor M stripes on the seatbelts. The US will get the lion's share of M3 CS production, roughly 550 of the 1,200 units planned. You can place your order for the first ever four-door CS in May 2018, but it may be a good idea to get in touch with your dealer beforehand to ensure you make it to the top of the list. Pricing will be announced closer to launch, but don't expect it to be cheap.